Yo, 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 what's good, y'all? It's your boy SEVNSIX, and we're back with another video today. So today I just kind of wanted to cook up, just kind of cook up whatever. I was kind of feeling like some West Coast, something West Coast. So, I might go for something for like Kalan.Frfr or Bino Rideaux. But, yeah, we're just gonna cook up today. I hope y'all are staying safe in the midst of all this drama with the world, and you guys are staying productive and cooking up. Um, so yeah, pretty much I'm just gonna cook up. So we'll just get into this. We'll load up a scale right now. We're gonna go to Aeolian and just pick. We'll do C minor. We'll do that's cool. And we'll just load that all up in there. And I'm gonna start cooking up. Make sure everything's good here. Yeah, we're good. All right. Clone that. Let's go to Philharmonic. Let's make some piano. All right. I'll go dark. Dark's fine. I'm a little bit sick right now, so excuse me for the stuffiness. Alright. Oh yeah, let's drop our BPM too. Can't forget that. Let's drop the BPM. We'll go for like a 90. Nah, we'll go for 100. 100's fine. A little bit more fast pace. And let's just lay down some keys. We're gonna go off of our C minor. Elongate that real quick. I like that. That's cool. We'll go with that. It's just real simple. It's got a real like dark West Coast vibe to it right now. Just with the keys alone. Let me load up a bass and put a bass underneath that. That's fine. Take off the loop points, adjust the hold, bring down the decay and the sustain and the release. And we're going to go off our root notes here. Alright, I might just render out this piano because that popping is going to annoy me. Alright, I think I'm going to throw a lead over that. Lead. I might go with the sine. velocity. Start just throwing this in the mixer so I can mix on the fly. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna render that out. It's annoying. I think what I'll do is I'm gonna pause this piano for now and then just run through everything else. And then when I'm splitting into structure, I'll render out that piano. So we're just gonna have to deal with this popping for now. So I think melody wise, I pretty much got everything I want right there. Now I'll just start jumping into the drums. Strum these keys on this piano real quick too, just before I start getting too far into this. And then trim off all that excess key. Delete. Load all that into the mixer real quick. Alright, we'll finish out this pattern. I'm just going to duplicate what I did on this side to this side of the pattern. Don't trip on me. I think why it's tripping so much is because I got philharmonic running, and then I got the OBS running too. I don't think my computer can handle all that. It's all good though. I'm gonna cook up either way. I'm gonna go down to the stock plugins or the stock packs that FL already has. Go to legacy, drums, vintage, and then I just like to use some of the sounds they got in here. We'll use that as like a transition. Take off the loop points. This kit right here alone, just like stock, is great for making these beats because it's just all that authentic old school West Coast stuff. So just look in here if you want some extra sauce. I always go to it. You know, you don't gotta go looking for it. It's all right here. I think that's pretty much it. I think that's all my add to the beat. Honestly, it's pretty much finished. This is all just extra like percussion, drums, and then we got our melodies already good. So I'm just gonna structure that, split by channel, and like I said, I was gonna run that piano through audio clip. So we're gonna render that as an audio clip for sure. Let that go real quick. Now we got that. I'm gonna go ahead and I think just turn that off. And it's still popping, so obviously that the rendering didn't do anything, so I don't think it matters at this point. It's all good. It's all good. Y'all are getting a gist of what the beat sounds like anyway, so we'll just structure that out. Start pulling in all the elements. So I'm gonna start the song off with the intro, just the piano coming in nice and smooth. And then we'll have the bass and then the hook come in. That lead's gonna be part of the hook. I'll make sure the patterns match up. So okay, we'll do that. Yeah, we're good right there. That's good. Make sure that's all good. We'll leave the kick for just the verses, and we'll throw that perk in for transition. Something like that. Where is that? There it is. Oh, I'm stupid. I paused that. Okay. Yeah, that popping's mad annoying, but it's cool. We're just gonna pull through it. Alright, so this is gonna be the hook right here. We got our kick in there. I'm just gonna spice it up, taking things in and out pretty much. So I think we'll just do the hat primarily for that, and then we'll bring that rim back in for this little breakdown of the verse. We'll take out the clap. Bring this kind of like as a transition as well. One thing I like to do too a lot is if you're using like a crash, reverse it so it kind of builds up a nice like transition for each little portion of the song. I'm not gonna do it for this because this is just a tutorial, but if you guys want to add that to your beats, it helps a lot, and it just, I don't know, for me it adds a whole nother element to the beat. You just having transitions is always good. But yeah, so we got let's just listen to the verse real quick. Alright, that's fine. This popping is annoying, so I'm gonna just kind of rush through this real quick. Now I just duplicate that pretty much like twice. You have 2 hooks, 2 verses, and then you're gonna have an outro. So duplicate that again. You're gonna end this song kind of like on a verse, and then the song is gonna just kind of die out from here. Put a little volume automation right here just to let the song ride out. Bring the clap back in. That's just gonna keep popping. It's Philharmonic. It's all good. But yeah, pretty much that's for everything you guys need for these Kalan, Bino Rideaux beats. Just nice and chill. Sounds like real West Coasty. That's what you just gotta go for. Simplicity is key, like I always say. But yeah, pretty much that's everything for this. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a subscription, like, comment, share it. Show your friends that you guys can make West Coast beats. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys are, if you guys watch this whole channel, watch this whole video, and you guys are new to the channel, subscribe and check out all of our other content that we got in here. We got a lot of dope videos. You guys should just check them out. We're always dropping bombs as far as knowledge and stuff. So just peep our videos out. Little things can help improve your production by a long way. So yeah, that's pretty much everything from me. You guys know who I am. It's your boy SEVNSIX. I'll catch you guys in the next video.
You're now listening to the SEVNSIX.